The importance of financial education. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. When it comes to money, ganito ang ginagawa ng mga Pinoy. First, paluwagan. Usong-uso to sa mga magkakapitbahay. Maghuhulog kada week ng pera. Parang savings account. Parang nag-iipon. Pero in reality, pagkasahod, gagastusin. Ang goal is uubusin lahat ng naipon. Ang reason, pang birthday ng anak ko o kaya bibili ako ng bagong TV. Second, co-op. Usong-uso naman to sa opisina. Nakasali na din ako dito. Unfortunately, ang goal ng karamihan ng sumasali ay mag-loan, hindi mag-ipon. At kung may natira man, gagastusin lahat pag December. Kailangan bongga ang Noche Buena. Kailangan bago gadget. Sayang ang sale. Di mo ba napapansin lagi namang sale sa mall? Lalo na pag payday. Iba't iba lang ang tawag. Mid-year sale, end of season sale, holiday sale. Third, bank. Sa bank kung i-observe mo mga flyers, mas pinopromote ang loan kesa sa savings. Promoting all types of loan. Auto loan, housing loan, credit card loan. Pero loan ba talaga ang solusyon sa money problems mo? My point is, kahit sa bank, huwag mong iasa ang personal finance mo. Fourth, government. Feeling secure na tayo pag may contribution tayo sa SSS. Pero karamihan naman ay nag-a-avail ng SSS loan, pag-ibig loan. Mali pa rin ang mindset kasi ang SSS is for your retirement. Paalala lang, ang loan, laging may kasamang interest yan. Kung may mga utang ka and if you have a job, you have more than one boss. Your employer and your bank or creditor. Imagine, you're working hard also to pay off your debt and it's compounding interest. You're working for someone else. Kailangan mo mag-overtime lagi dahil kailangan mo makabayad ng mga utang. My question is, are you building more assets or more liabilities for your family? Sabi nga, people don't plan to fail. They just fail to plan. Parents can allot 3 weeks to plan for a birthday. Ang barkada can plan 5 months advance for a travel. Engaged couple allot 1 year to plan for a wedding. But for financial planning, di man lang tayo makapag-allot kahit 1 hour to sit down with our spouse or family. To gain financial education, start with reading books about personal finance and attend financial seminar. Because of lack of financial education, marami ang lubog sa utang. Like building a house, dapat may blueprint ka din ng financial house mo. Don't follow the majority. Take control of your money. Start to build your financial house from ground to up. Get health and life insurance to protect yourself and your family. Eliminate bad debts as soon as possible. Start saving for your emergency fund. And grow your money through investment. Time is valuable. In 1 click, you could lose your job. In 1 click, you will start your own family. In 1 click, you may encounter emergency. In 1 click, enrollment na ng mga anak mo. In 1 click, you're 50 years old. Sa bilis ng panahon, huwag mong hayaang utang ang lumalaki. That is money working against you. Instead, gain financial education so that you can make your money work for you. Save your future. There is nobody more interested in your financial future than you are. Definitely not the government or your employer. It's your responsibility to learn the simple rules of how money works. Understanding how money works is part of taking care of your family. You can do it, you can control your future. To learn more about investments, visit www.1millionclub.com. You may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. You may click the link below to register for our free financial checkup, seminar or webinar, or online seminar. Thank you for watching this video.